Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I'm going to show you how I created this photo frame for my kid's birthday. So what I did is I took an old Amazon box carton and I divided it into 4 strips to give me the desired length that I wanted or I needed for the photo frame. Then on another piece of cardboard I drew a number 3. Now you can see I tried my best to draw this. So we are going to be using blue paint and a paintbrush. Why I chose blue is because my son Adam likes Chase and Kanye likes Marshall, so I decided to make it blue and red sort of only, so I didn't include other pops. Well, actually I did, but that was further at the end and it was just their pop tags. So while painting this, I did realize that I did need to do several coats, so I will only show you one coat, but I did allow it to dry and then I did a second coat. Now don't worry, everything I used is washable and child friendly, so it did clean off my dining table just fine, in case you're wondering. Alright, so this is it after 2 coats and drying. Now I know that there are some patches, but trust me, we're not gonna see it. Now if you do notice, 2 sides are thicker than the other 2 sides. This was because I was thinking I would use the thicker side as the happy birthday, but then it didn't really work out how I wanted it, so it doesn't really matter. Just taking some Scotch spray, glue, and gluing it together. Now the Scotch glue did work, but not so well, so I would advise getting something stronger. Now all these other things that you see that I'm using are cutouts which I just found on the internet and printed on cardboard paper, except for the 3. You saw that before. I just painted that red. So as I said, I'm using mainly Chase and Marshall, so that's why I have only their pop tags enlarged and them as the pops enlarged too. But the happy birthday, I will insert the website where I got it from to get the Paw Patrol font type of thing. So I'm just cutting it out. I realized that on the paper on its own, it wasn't gonna be too bold and there's not enough red. So I'm cutting it out into like a lopsided shape and I'm gonna paste it on top of the red cardboard and then I'm gonna paste it on the top of the frame. And to stick the white paper on the red, I'm just using the normal Elmer's glue that everybody should have that has a kid at home right now, and that held it just about fine for me. So this rest, I think it's stronger than the Scotch, so that's why I started using that to hold down the different things I printed from the internet. And this just took me 2 days to do, and I'm serious, everything was under $10. The Amazon box was free. The printouts were like 10 pesos or 5 pesos. That's basically some cents. The only thing that really cost me money was the paint, and the paint was about $1 each, and the glue I think I got for about $5 or $4 in total. Now you can see I'm cutting around the red cardboard to give it the same kind of oblong type of shape. But then to make it pop out more, I'm going to place cardboard beneath it so that it can be like protruding. That's optional as well. And I forgot to put my Paw Patrol, don't know why, the logo down. So as you can see, I made sure that I checked that it was in the middle before pushing it down. Now I'm just placing my happy birthday Adam and Kanye. Now these stickers are some wall stickers I got for their room and to make it more colorful, and it had paws and bones and all the Paw Patrol's pop tags, so I decided to use them on this frame. I do intend to take it off when I'm done with the birthday and put it on their wall. Now I'm gluing down my 3. Now I'm just placing my 3. Now I'm just going to use those stickers and decorate the frame more. Here I'm placing all the pop tags just opposite the 3 in a straight line. Nothing too much here. Now I just do want to note that for older kids, maybe you would need to use double cardboards to make it stronger, but because I knew that the kids wouldn't be able to hold it, this worked fine. And that's it, guys. I am done.